you're watching PIT Institute live on YouTube. Dear friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use your WhatsApp on PC or laptop. Very easy. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all you have to visit WhatsApp web. It means web.whatsapp.com website. So just click here, over here. After this, you will have to open WhatsApp on your mobile phone, and then step number 2, you have to press menu bar or setting and select WhatsApp web. Number 3, point your phone on this screen to capture this code. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here in video for for making more easy to you guys. You have seen there, and very simple. Yeah. So let me show you from my mobile. I am using my mobile over here, and I am going to open my WhatsApp on my phone. And step number 2, I am following a tap menu button and selecting WhatsApp web, and then I am scanning the QR code from my mobile, and you can see, and yeah, done. You can see my WhatsApp is accessed. I'm using my own WhatsApp here on my PC very easily. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so please comment and subscribe my channel, and please share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a good time.